The Boltt Blizzard is a premium smartwatch that is designed to offer advanced features and functionality. When you unbox the Boltt Blizzard, you can expect to find the following items. First is the Boltt Blizzard smartwatch. The main attraction of this package is the luxury smartwatch itself. The Boltt Blizzard boasts a sleek and elegant design with a circular dial and a metal frame. It features a 1.69-inch color touchscreen display with a resolution of 240 x 280 pixels, and it is powered by a Nordic NRA52840 processor. And number second is charging cable. You will find a magnetic charging cable in the box that allows you to charge your Boltt Blizzard smartwatch conveniently. Number 3 is user manual. The package comes with the user manual that provides information on how to set up and use the smartwatch. It covers topics such as how to pair the watch with your smartphone, how to navigate the watch interface, and how to use its features and functions. And the number 4 is warranty card. The Boltt Blizzard smartwatch comes with 1 year warranty, and you will find the warranty card in the package.